What lies hidden beneath 4,000 meters of Antarctic ice? Russia drilled down to 3,769 meters and suddenly stopped. Multiple countries signed treaties banning ordinary people from setting foot there. The secrets of this frozen continent are far more mind-shattering than you imagine. When the Russian explorer Bellingshausen first encountered the Antarctic ice wall in 1820, he could never have imagined that behind this edge of the world lay underground mountain ranges stretching for thousands of kilometers and lakes isolated from the world for 20 million years, and possibly even unknown life that evolved independently. In the Weddell Sea of Antarctica, there is a mysterious ice hole larger than Switzerland, the moored rise Polynya. For 50 years it appeared and disappeared intermittently. First discovered in 1974, it vanished many times until 2016, when it suddenly erupted to 30,000 square kilometers, lasting for several weeks in the dead of winter, finally giving scientists a chance to unravel the mystery. This giant ice hole in the open ocean was ultimately formed by the combined effects of deep-sea circulation and undersea mountain ranges, creating this stubborn surface ice phenomenon. The secrets beneath the ice are even more astonishing. Under Antarctica's 3.2-kilometer thick ice sheet lie at least 400 liquid lakes. The most famous, Lake Vostok, has been sealed under ice for 20 million years. The water temperature is -3 degrees Celsius, yet it remains liquid due to the pressure of the ice. The Russian research team once drilled with great effort to a depth of 3,769 meters. Stopping suddenly when only 50 meters from the lake surface, not because they could not drill further, but because scientists feared that unknown organisms might exist in the lake. The oxygen content of this high-oxygen lake is 50 times that of ordinary lakes, enough to nurture giant organisms. Another lake, Lake Willans, has already been confirmed to contain microbial communities. These forms of life, which have never seen sunlight, survive on methane and ammonia. It completely shattered the belief that extreme environments are lifeless, and also led scientists to speculate whether similar forms of existence might lie beneath the ice of Mars. Antarctica's bizarre landscapes go far beyond this. The blood falls on Taylor Glacier look as if the glacier itself is bleeding, with a 5-story high stream of red water flowing into a lake. In reality, it is caused by an ancient saline lake buried 400 meters underground. After being sealed beneath the glacier, the lake's salinity reached 3 times that of seawater. The iron-rich water oxidizes and rusts upon contact with air, forming this spectacle that acts like a time capsule recording changes in the Antarctic environment. In seawater at -2 degrees Celsius, Antarctic icefish so transparent that their beating hearts can be seen overturn biological common sense. In addition, plate-sized giant sea spiders and 20-meter-long colossal glass squids, these polar giants evolved astonishing sizes thanks to the high oxygen environment, making Antarctic waters a gathering place for gigantic creatures. But who would have imagined that today's icy, snow-covered Antarctica was, 50 million years ago, a warm and humid tropical rainforest? Fossilized wood, impressions of tropical leaves, and Cretaceous dinosaur fossils discovered by scientists in Antarctica all prove that this land was once a paradise for life. All these transformations originated from continental drift. After Antarctica split from the Gondwana supercontinent, it drifted southward and was eventually covered by ice and snow, becoming a mysterious land. In 1959, multiple countries signed the Antarctic Treaty, which not only prohibited military activities and mineral exploitation, but also restricted ordinary people from entering because Antarctica's ecosystem is extremely fragile, where even a small amount of foreign microorganisms could disrupt the balance. Only areas near the edges and small islands are open to tourists. Even more intriguing is that satellite images of Antarctica show certain regions covered with mosaics. Online, there are speculations about alien bases and entrances to underground worlds. Although theories of ancient civilizations lack archaeological evidence, this continent that has not yet been fully explored still holds countless mysteries. The preservation of subglacial mountain ranges, unknown life in Lake Vostok, the mysterious connection between auroras and quantum entanglement. Each mystery pulls at humanity's understanding of Earth and the universe. The ice is shifting and the truth is slowly surfacing, but what we've uncovered today is only the beginning. At Decoding World, we don't just tell stories, we investigate the enigmas that stay hidden in the shadows. Join our global community of truth seekers. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to never miss a discovery. This is the official home of the unexplained. This is Decoding World.